Okay, so let's follow the 2021 version of Photoshop hands-on tutorials to learn more about the layers. So this is a new interactive learning method. So you can start tutorials without downloading any files. All right, so also the screen will show some interactive document or sign to indicate where to pay more attention. So here they give you directly suggestion that you have to click the eye icon to hide this layer. Okay, so this show the layers function is you can function as transparent paper with object information. Okay. Okay, so also this show the when you option click, this eye will turn off other layers. So this is a good way to learn such details. To only highlight this current layer so you can see this object to control the if there are any enhancement needed. Option click the eye and turn those one back, and then you can go click the next. Okay, so this is off the screen window and the screen recording window. So, but the information is go to the this layer and to click right, okay, and select this dodge tool. Okay. All right. And then click back. Okay. Okay, we're using this one. And then drag. Okay, I'm just need to wait for the guideline. Okay, I need to move this one out. Yeah, just kind of like lighten this area. Okay, and then click next. Just kind of follow this information. Select the bird layer. Okay. Below the photograph layer. So let me just move this one over. So there are some layer adjustment needed. Drag this one down. Okay, so put this one behind. Okay, and then click next. Okay, so here another information, we need to drag this layer back over the photograph layer. Just very basic adjustment, very basic control. Back with release. Okay, so for the beginner tutorials, this is really just want to show you how those things work, and it's especially focus on the first time learner. But I think it will have some benefit for even for one advanced user to try to repeat the process one more time. Okay, so I could move to, because this one help people understand what's the beginner's need. Okay, you can make sure that auto select is checked. Auto select is a relatively new compared with the over 30 years history of Photoshop. It's just been a few years. At the beginning, it's a little bit confused, but now it's make it very intuitive and easy to use. So you can keep this one on auto selected. Okay. Then you can click with auto select on, and you can click this little item, and they will directly select. So you don't have to, in traditional way, you need to using an option click or some other way to directly select this one or navigate it through the layers panel. But now you can, with auto select on, you can directly select the object. Okay. All right, click next. So now the system asks us to create additional layer. Let's create a new layer. Yeah, so they also mentioned that the new layer will be on the above this current select layer. So when you click a new layer, this layer is transparent. So then we're using brush tool here. So the brush tool, the shortcut is B. Okay, pin anywhere in the image. So I'm going to reduce the size a little bit. Just a few brush stroke since you're using layers practice. Okay, so just kind of like draw anything. Okay, we draw something here, and then we're going to click next. So we're going to actually delete this this layer. There are several ways you can delete this. You can click and drag, or more for the beginner's way is just go click and drag this one to the trash can. Okay, I think that this is done the job. So I don't want to make this one more complicated. So go to next. Okay, I think this wasn't done. Well, it's a very beginning level, but as you can see, this show multiple layers. That is a good beginning. I think that the good points, okay, it's a very good way for the new hands-on tutorials is that you don't have to download anything. It's especially important for a beginner to eliminate those unnecessary process. So directly have the file there, and just kind of like a work around to experience this software. Okay.